Hey, welcome to my course on Streamlit. So this would be a really good course for someone who is very much interested in Streamlit, which is a new buzzword in Python and data science. So Streamlit, so we will be comparing differences between Flask, Dash or Streamlit and for why Streamlit is ideal for prototyping. And after we go through that, the next part would be we will then figure out how to set up Anaconda and GitHub account. And after we do that, the next thing would be to initialize our virtual environment and install all the libraries needed for this course. So just to give some idea, some libraries we would be doing would be, let's start from the example. So the first application which we would be building in this course is, let's basically say we would be creating an Instagram filter for pencil and some popular Instagram filters, and we will also be implementing how to download that image. And after this, the next thing we would be doing is basically we will learn how to build a PyTube API. Using PyTube API, how to build an application for Streamlit, so using which you can download any YouTube video into your desktop, or you can go to any popular song of your choice and download it. So, and how to host this application. This would be the second application we would be implementing. And the next thing would be we will also be implementing how to create a portfolio website and host it. So this portfolio website is totally free, and if you host this on GoDaddy or any other application, you have to pay your annual hosting fee, but hosting this on Streamlit Crowd is absolutely free. So basically you don't have to pay anything for this. So this would be, if you don't have a good digital resource, it's a pretty good example to get started. And after this, we will also be building a CRUD application using Firebase. So I will walk you through how to so this is done by using forms in Streamlit. So you can actually probably go and enter any job position and just say enter. So this is what we would be building here, and the data that's being posted here, you're gonna get data back in here. So how we would be achieving that is what we will be covering here. And after this, so these are some of the applications, and after this there would be two more applications we'll be covering. So we will take some scikit-learn models which are pretty popular in Kaggle, and we will build a UI for it. One we would be implementing is random forest, and probably we will either do logistics or linear regressions. One problem, so once you go through this course, you should pretty much be able to build any application of your choice and convert it to Streamlit. The advantage of doing it for Streamlit is it's pretty easy to use, maintainable, and it's easy to host. So that's basically what this course would be about. And if this is of interest to you, hop on, and this is definitely a good investment worth doing and learning. And let's stay connected for the rest of this course. Thank you.